Stage is yours. I want you to visualize an airplane. Think of the wings, the cockpit, the jets. Now, how much of an airplane do you think consists of plastic and how much is metal? You have a percentage in your head? Actually, approximately 80% of a modern airplane structure is plastic, while only 20% is metal. Now, why did all of you just now assume that an airplane is mostly made up out of metal? This is because we still think of plastics as weak, single-use materials. I am here to tell you today that plastics can also be strong, they can be durable, and they can even be good for the environment. Now, the type of plastic that I am talking about is called a composite, more specifically a fiber-reinforced polymer. Now, what does this mean? Composites are materials which consist of a polymer matrix, a plastic, in which micrometer-sized fibers are embedded. This gives you a material which is very light due to the polymer matrix, and very strong due to the carbon fibers. The unique combination of these two makes for a material that now often replaces metals in many applications. To give you some perspective, I have here a cube. If this were to be completely made out of steel, it would weigh 100 kilograms. If it was made out of composites, it would only weigh 30 kilograms and be 7 times stronger. Now, what makes composites also interesting is their damage behavior. Again, if my cube was steel and I were to use it and it would get a crack inside, it would break in two not too long after. If it was a composite and you would use it, it would get a crack actually faster than metals, but it takes a lot longer after the initial crack before the final material breaks down. This makes composites more durable. Now, because of this, composites have been replacing metals in many applications where we want materials that are light yet strong. They have been increasingly used in airplanes and cars, where they make them more fuel efficient because they are lighter, and in turn also reduce their carbon emissions. They have been used in wind turbines, for which they play an active role in climate change. They have even been used as prosthetics in the Olympic Games before they were banned because they were too good and it was not fair to the able-bodied athletes. Composites are strong, they are durable, and they are even good for the environment. And this is why I'd rather have an airplane made out of plastic than one made out of metal. Thank you very much.